Hello and welcome to another Technocamps activity pack. In this activity pack you'll be using Code for Life and Scratch to learn some programming principles and concepts. With the Code for Life website, this is where you will learn about the concepts, and then you'll move to Scratch in hours 2 and 4 to use those concepts to try and complete a project or a game. First, with Code for Life, I would suggest going through the Getting Started so you get familiar with how the system works. When you're using one of the levels, so if I click into the first level, what you'll see here is a prompt first to tell you what this level is about and what you're going to use. So click on play and it'll provide you with maybe some videos and some further instructions. On the right hand side here, you will see your game window. On the left, this is where you'll create your sequence of instructions or your program, and you can find the blocks on the left hand side here. So as you work your way through Code for Life, more blocks will appear here, and then there's a selection of buttons where you can play the program, speed up the program, stop, and go through it step by step. Once you've completed it, you will get a pop-up screen. It'll give you some feedback, and then you can move on to the next level, and then move on to the specified areas in the workbook. So for hour 1, you'll be covering loops, repetitions, and loops with conditions, and these are covered through these levels here. So once you've finished hour 1, you can then move on to hour 2, where you'll be completing a Scratch game with the link here. So when you open the link, it will take you to this page here. If you don't have an account, you can click See Inside and try and complete the quiz. There are some instructions here with some coding blocks which you'll need to use. If you do have an account or you want to create an account, you're more than welcome to here. And you could also use a remix. If you signed into Scratch here, you'd have a remix option where it would save it against your local account, and then you can program and try and complete the quiz. After hour 2, we'll move back to Code for Life website, where you'll learn about if statements through levels 33 to 43. Once you've completed level 3, you'll move on to the final hour of this activity pack, where you'll be creating a quiz for a teacher, your family, your friends, using Scratch. So with a link here, so you can remix or see inside where you can complete the program. Once you've finished that, head over to the quiz, which can be found on the Technocamps website, to complete this and finally complete the activity pack. Thank you for joining me on this activity pack. Looking forward to seeing you on another activity pack.